Guide we can write type of list in HTML. Type of list in HTML. We have three types. One is called OL. It's called as a order list. Second, we have called UL, unordered list. Third one is called DL, definition list. Order list, unordered list, definition list. Order list, unordered list, and definition list. That system is started. He can create one folder on desktop by his name, and in that folder he can keep storing the files. Mouse you can use, maybe the touchpad may not work. Okay, so order list, what is that meaning is, let me guide you. First, let's see some example, and then it will be clear. Without writing code also you will remember, oh, this is called order list. So suppose 3 point we are written OL, UL and DL. Now let me come to the, okay, the writing then let us complete. Suppose in day-to-day life, you are creating a documentation for something. Assume I am writing here called subject called web technologies. This become one title for me. Web technology. Assume this is one topic for me. I'm going to write something for this topic. Just I centralize it, I formatted it, it's came here in the middle. Now this becomes a head. That is called H1. Okay, that's called as H1. Now for this H1, we need to give some description. So that description you will use, we have discussed yesterday, a tag called paragraph. Using the paragraph, you will write the description. Assume like I'm writing some description. Okay, 2 lines I have written. Let me type some more. Okay. Okay. So this is become a few, you can say few sentence, few words about the web technology. Now, in that, on the basis of this description, we want to highlight some points. Like point number 1 particular, point number 2 particular, point number 3 particular. Okay. Suppose I wrote one line here, one more line I wrote here, one more line I wrote here, one more line I wrote here. 4 points I have written. Now what I will do is I will select this point and I will go here in the main. And here you can see the heading is called a bullets. We can select here. Whenever I select any option, the content will get formatted just like that, getting format. So bullets is getting applied. That is called a UL, unordered list. That is called a UL, unordered list. Where in the term of HTML. In the term of HTML, it is called a unordered list. Okay, unordered list. You have some content, you are just formatting it and you are applying some kind of bullets for that. That's called a unordered list in the term of HTML. Now let me go here to the next point. Next point is here. There is another option. You can see 1, 2, 3. Wherever the pointer will go, the particular type of order is getting applied. So when I went here, 1, 2, 3. Here also 1, 2, 3. Here Roman 1, 2, 3. Uppercase ABCD, lowercase ABCD, Again here lowercase ABCD only. Here again lowercase Roman 1, 2, 3. So this is called as a numbering. You can see here headline is written called numbering. In the term of word, it's called as a numbering. But in the term of HTML, it is called as a order list. The previous one, first one. This is called as a unordered list. And this is called as a order list. This is called as a order list. Okay. So similar way, like suppose you are going to display some content in your web page and you want to give a heading, okay, H1 we follow. You written one paragraph. Now below you want to highlight some point. So we'll take the help from where? Order list and unordered list. Now depends. If you want to display 1, 2, 3, then order list will come. If you want to display some kind of style, maybe dot, 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 star, 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 let's call it what? Bullets, unordered list. Okay. In the same again, suppose the point number 3 is written. Under the point number 3, I will write something here. You saw automatically different kind of option came. Under the point number 3, there is called ABC. So this is called a suborder. This becomes a what? Nested order, you can say. In the term of HTML, it will be called a nested order list. And it will be called a nested order list or nested unordered list. Depend on our need. Okay. So we have 3 terms. One is called order list. Another one is called unordered list. Order list also can be nested and unordered list also can be nested. Nested means order list inside order list. Condition inside condition is called a nested condition. Paragraph inside paragraph will be called a nested paragraph. Okay. Maybe someone is calling me. Hello. Tell me. Okay. Which profile? We have. Okay. So on this number, I will ask my other person to call you. Okay. And she will contact you and she can give the details. She will send you the list of candidates. Okay. Not email ID. I will ask the person to call you. You can discuss with her and then you can send the JD. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead. So next after that, so this becomes a what? Nested. This becomes a nested order list or nested unordered list. Anything depend on our need, we can create it. Okay. So what we are going to do first? First, we are going to see the order list. In order list, we'll follow the order as a 1, 2, 3, ABCD. You can say Roman 1, 2, 3, capital ABCD, a small ABCD, capital Roman 1, 2, 3, and a small Roman 1, 2, 3. Okay. Total 5 type of order list we have. So we'll create one by one and then we'll come to know. Okay. So the condition was what? When we are creating the Word file, we have option to format here. But when we are creating a HTML file, what option we have? There must be required lot of functionality. Then only you can format it. Okay. So this is the file. Now we'll create a file and we'll give the file name called what we will give is order list. Order list.html. Okay. Create a file, give the file name called order list.html. In the order list.html, we will implement all functionality related to order list. Create a file, order list.html. In order list.html, we will implement all functionality related to order list. So order list Okay, so next your file extension is HTML or something else. It should be .html. File must end with the .html. Okay, right? Where you have a store, that also you can check once. Is it under the HTML folder or where it is? So that while running, it will be easy. In case if you are not able to find where is my file, you can see in the Notepad++ the title, the very upper section. It's showing the F drive, particular folder. In case unable to locate the file from there, also we can find and go and run from there. Okay. Okay. So now come to this HTML file. Start from HTML. Start from HTML. So less than symbol, HTML and greater than. HTML open and close. Inside HTML, we will not write the head today. Head will come after few days. Okay. So head let it be. Start from the body directly. Till CSS, we are not reaching. We don't write the head section. So only HTML body is required. Based on that, we'll understand the concept of HTML. Okay. Under the body, you will write one heading called order list example. Order list example. Order list example. OL. Okay. OL. Order list example. Now, suppose this is the body tag. Body is the tag name. Body is the name of the tag. Body is the name of the tag. If I go here and write a property called BG color. BG color is a keyword. BG color is a property. Using the BG color, we can set some kind of background to the screen. We can say HTML body. We can say complete screen will become different background. So tag name is there. After tag name, after one space, we have written the BG color. So body becomes a tag name and BG color becomes a property. Or you can call it attribute also. Property and attribute. Both are similar. There is no difference. So we can say body is the tag name, BG color is the attribute or property. Equal to, we will write here pink. So pink is the name of the color. Pink becomes a value and BG color becomes a property. So what will happen for body now? One property will get applied BG color, and for that property one value will get applied, that is called a pink. Once you run the file, you will find entire screen will become a pink color. Entire screen will convert into pink color. Okay, converted. BG color equal to pink. Run once, check once, is it running or not? Page will not be saved. Code will be there, but your system will not send the code. Save it there. Okay, so hope we have written. Let us check once how it is coming. It will look like background will come as a pink color. Whichever the property we have given, according to property, the value got According to property, it's got applied. Hope running for everyone. Okay. BG and color is a single keyword. There's no space in between. BG and color is a single keyword. We should not give a space in BG color. BG color is a single keyword. We should not give a space in that. Okay. Now come next. Go inside the. Okay. Go inside the page now. And at this place, we have a tag called OL. OL. It is not 01. It's a OL. OL tag open, OL tag close. OL tag open, OL tag close. Okay, OL tag open, OL tag close. Now under the OL tag, OL tag, you have to write here LI. This called is a list item. List item. OL represent order list. OL represent the order list. LI is saying as a list item. Okay, the full form are written there. List item. Next, after that, add some more LI. Give some city name or maybe some item name. Add 3-4 items. Save it. After saving, again you can run this file. You will find 1, 2, 3 will come. You will find 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. HTML capital will also work. LI small will also work. Okay. In HTML, lowercase and uppercase has no any problem. But problem will come in future. Once you merge the HTML with CSS, CSS is a case sensitive. Okay, and HTML is not case sensitive. But once HTML and CSS you combine together, your HTML will work according to CSS. So writing the capital letter for the tag name is a bad habit. Okay, the content what we are writing, like OL, it's our own content, can be anything. Item list can be anything. Apple, orange, we have written this data. This can be anything. But the tag what you are following, keep as a lowercase. The best practice. Okay. So which order is coming? ABCD or 1 to 3? 1 to 3, right? Yes, 1 to 3 will come. Order list is what? You can reply once. ABCD or 1 to 3. We should write the code, okay? Write it. Within 2-3 days, you will become full confident. If you write the code, anything, no problem. Write anything error here, there. HTML will not say there is error. Whatever you will write, it will come in the browser. Okay, so just keep writing. Within 4-5 example, automatically you will become confident. Okay, so hope 1 to 3 came. Okay, so that is called default order list. Order list we have written. We have not specified any kind of type. In MS Word, you saw I was moving the pointer, then it was changing ABCD. Here, what is coming by default? By default is coming as a 1 to 3. We have just opened the OL and closed the OL. Written the LI, now by default is coming as a 1 to 3. We have option, we can change that also manually. Okay. Okay, fine then. 1 to 3 is coming, then you are on the track. Let's go here. I will also run my file and we'll understand what is going to come. See, by default, this is the one, 1 to 3. Okay, by default, order list start from where? 1 to 3. Or maybe people ask, what is the default order list? What is the default order list? Then we can say the number. Default order list is a number. Okay, we can write here one paragraph. Inside the paragraph, we can write the default order list is is 1 to 3. The default order list is 1 to 3. Or instead of writing 1 to 3, the default order list is a number. You can write number. It will help better. Number as 1 to 3. Next, after that, the default order list is number as 1 to 3. Now we will write the type of order list from our side. So let's follow one more OL, open and close. Open and close. See, when we are learning HTML, these all are from the HTML4, not HTML5. HTML, while learning HTML, if you are writing the code, this tags and all. Number one, if something here, there's no problem at all. Whatever code you will run, type it will work. Okay. And within 4, 5, 10 examples, your hand will become very good in the practice, how to create file, how to run it, how to save. And you will have very good, like your finger will start running automatically. Okay. Within 5, 10 example maximum. Okay. So in this now, under the OL, we will specify a type. Under the OL, we'll be specifying a type. So type is a property. Type is a property, and 1 is the initial value. In the previous one, we have not given anything. What is coming? 1, 2, 3. Let's add here. See what it is going to come. You can add few li, maybe any city name, technology name you can add here. Let's add technology name only. HTML. Add one more li called CSS. Add one more li. Okay, so let's do one thing. First, write an HTML and CSS. After that, I'll give you a shortcut that will help you better. That will increase your speed. Write HTML and CSS. After that, now suppose we want to create the multiple li. So till HTML CSS is written. Suppose we want to create multiple li. So we have to, one option you have to write one by one. One option you have to write li, write the content, write li, write the content. Okay, one option. Another option is what? You can copy like this. You can copy, then you can first select, then copy. After that, again click here, then go next line and control V as a paste. That is the your normal what we have now. Okay. Now let's see one shortcut what we have here. One shortcut we have here called, suppose I want to copy this line. We want to copy this line and paste below. So first you keep your cursor at the end of the line. Suppose my cursor is blinking where? After the li. Correct. You also keep your cursor after the li. Any li, whichever you want to copy. Okay. And from the computer, you can press Control plus D. Control plus D. It will create a duplicate line. Control plus D you press. Happen. Control D, right? That will increase your speed. Suppose you want to write 10 li, we can write one li and Control D 6-7 times and change the content. For example, this is the CSS I have. Sorry, my cursor is pointing at the last. So what we'll do? Control plus D. Control plus D I press. You can see line got copied. Again I will press Control plus D. Line got copied. Again Control D. Again Control D. 4-5 times I press Control D. Same line got copy and paste. Duplicate happen. Okay. Now in this line we can go and change the content. JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, Angular. Save now. Hope you tried. Control D. CTRL plus D. CTRL plus D will copy and paste the line. So suppose this Angular I wanted to copy and paste 3-4 times. So I have kept my cursor at the end of the line and I will press the Control plus D from my computer. Control plus D. You can see the line got copy. Again I will press the Control plus D. Line got copy. So that is helping you to copy something. If in case if you want to copy, you can copy it. Okay. Copy and paste, it will reduce the increase the speed. So when you have written the type equal to 1, what is the order list? Is it 1 2 3 or ABCD? 1 2 3. 1 2 3 only. Now what is? You have written no type equal to 1. So what is coming? Run and check once. 1 2 3 only or different? Here it will come as 1 1 1. Check the page. Huh? 1 2 3 will come here. 1 1 1 will not come. That is called 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Default also is type as a 1. Default also 1 to 3. If you mention also 1 to 3. Okay. Attribute or property you can say. Okay. Type is the attribute and one is the initial value. One is the initial value. We have option. Suppose initial value you cannot say. You can say this is kind of their default value. Default value. Initial value we can set something else. Our list is starting from where now? 1. Correct? If you want to can start from 500 also. Let me show you one property. Suppose I will go here and we can write here a start equal to 500. So the type is number only, but starting will happen from where? 500. Okay, that is also possible. If will mention, if will not mention, then it will come 1 to 3. We have 4-5 types. 4-5 types we have, so we wanted to see all. We have one more type called A. It will give ABCD. We have type called lower I, means that Roman 1 2 3 will come. For that purpose, I have written here type equal to what? Number as a 1. Okay. Check. Starting is how much? 500. Start equal to 500. Check now. What is the starting number? Or second equal. OL. Okay, so default is starting from 500, right? Default is starting value is from the 500. See here, starting is from the 500. Hope it is working. Only 1% replied. Your reply represent yes, you are on the track. Okay, next after that, let's go here, add one HR tag. These all are start. Start ABCD, you can't give there. Start ABCD, there is no value for that. Start means like where you want to start, that position you have to specify. Initial value. Initial value. If you give something wrong, then a start will happen from 1 only. ABCD you given, give there, what is happening? Give A or Z, give Z. Start equal to Z. A. K. What is starting? ABCD. No. Type equal to what? Type equal to 1. No, no, I will guide you. Please just follow me. For ABCD also there is a starting number, a starting. We can start from D also. Anyway, okay. I will write the next sentence. Okay. HR color equal to green color. So HR is the tag name, color is the property, green is the value. HR is the color name, HR is the tag name, HR is the tag name, color is the property, and green is the value. Now HR call, it's called a horizontal rule. The full form is horizontal rule. So what is going to do? It is going to create a line from beginning to last. From the beginning of the screen to end of the screen, it will create default 1 pixel line. Now the line is going to draw the thickness of the line. You can change using a property called size. SIZA, size. Size is another property. Using that, we can change the height of the line. Suppose 10 I given. So it is going to create a line from beginning to last that will come in the green color, and the thickness of the line will be 10 pixel. Okay, try that. It's independent. All are dependent. One is independent. With the color as a property and size as a property, green as a value, 10 is a value. 10 is a 10 pixel here. 10 is as a 10 pixel here. Okay, 10 is the, so getting online from beginning to last. That is called what is a horizontal rule. Okay, let's come after that. Yesterday I have told no, it will work in HTML, it will work in CSS, it will work in JavaScript, it will work in React.js, it will work in PHP, it will work in many more languages. It will not work in two languages, that is called Angular and React, because they have some certain rule regulation for HTML. Okay, to form the HTML tree properly, they have set the proper rule. So there, your without slash, your Angular and React will not work. It will throw the error if the tag is independent tag. Not only warning error, completely as a block is there. It will not allow to go next. Page will get stopped. Okay, because the error will come in template itself. Error will come in HTML itself. So further next compiling will not happen. Okay, now after that, let's follow one more OL. Inside this OL, you will write as a type equal to capital A, capital A, capital A. And inside that capital A, suppose I write here some city name, city name. City name. Okay. Next, suppose you feel like your typing speed is slow. After writing one line, Control D, you press 3-4 times. You will be together. Suppose one person has written fast, one person is slow. So you have a skill or not? What is that? In case if you are slow to type, no problem. Write at least one line. Press Control D 3-4 times. You will also get 3-4 line. Okay. Content can be anything. Let's come down. Right below. Next LI. Mumbai. Keep one more LI. Delhi. Keep one more LI. Chennai. Okay. Now suppose 4 city name I have given. So as per we saw in MS Word, we are given the type equal to 1 now. So ABCD type equal to A we are given. So it should come as a ABCD. ABCD it will come directly. There you have mentioned as a uppercase A. So uppercase A will come. Uppercase A should come. Coming, uppercase. Now suppose someone will demand, I want to start from D. Suppose if anyone say, okay, do you have any option to start from D or S or T or Y anywhere? Okay, then you have to say yes. How you can apply here the number is, okay, how you can apply the number here is, suppose you want to start from the D. So check what is the sequence position of the D. A is the 1, B is the 2, C is the 3, and D is the 4. So type equal to A and start equal to 4. So in ABCD series, which character will come on the 4th position? From there it will start. So suppose we are given type equal to A. So compiler will understand, yes, we have to generate an ABCD order. In that, if you are writing as a start equal to, suppose as a 4, start equal to 4. So it will check on in the ABCD series on 4th position, what is the value? Okay, which character will come? From that character, it will start directly. Coming. The starting point is what? D. D or something else. A, B, C, D. D should come. Starting from D. D only, no? D, where is the D? D, E, F. Starting should be D. D is in the 4th position. Starting should be from the D because the D is on the 4th position. Let me go here and show you. Starting from D because D is available on 4th position. HR line you saw, it's coming complete line from beginning to last. This is called block level element, block level tag that cover from beginning to last. Okay, and for that you have set the color as a green color and thickness of line is 10 pixel because of this property. Size is 10 and color as a green. So in green color, 10 pixel thickness, one line will get created from beginning to last. Next we have one more. OL only. There you can write type equal to a small a, type equal to a small a, type equal to a small a, and follow the li, type equal to a small a, follow the li. This li will be something. You can write some again, some company name. Next li. Next li. Next one more li. Okay. So what you will see now is, you will see now the list of the company will come. All will be under the series of ABCD. That also lowercase ABCD. In this, you can write a start equal to, or let it be without a start. See where it is coming from. ABCD it will come. It will start from A directly. So how many types we saw? One is called number. Another one is called capital A. One more we saw a small a. Two more we have Roman 1 to 3 lower and Roman 1 to 3 capital. Okay. So let's go here. You can keep a HR here. HR will change the look and feel. Here we can write as a HR color equal to maybe blue color, size equal to 10 or 15. You can give. See, previous one was 10. This is 15. So 5 pixel thickness should be more. Check now. Color came which color? Blue color. Write one more OL. You can write one more HR with a different color. Black color. Size equal to 15. OL open close. Type equal to capital I. Capital I will give you Roman 1 to 3 uppercase. Okay. Inside also you can write a start equal to 5. It will start directly from the 5. We can add inside some service name. Example, software marketing. Next LI you can write leads management. One more LI you can write employment. One more LI you can write email marketing. Check now. It will give you uppercase capital Roman 1 to 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. That will be in the uppercase. Something like this. Now you can write one more OL where you can write type equal to a small I. Write one more OL in the last. There you can write type equal to a small li, a small I. So we'll go here. We'll follow the OL. Type equal to a small I. Type equal to a small I. Before that, one more HR you can write. Color. Color spelling. What is the color spelling? COLOR. Okay. In programming, we have few words. We have different like color, behavior. Okay, and then center, bordered. Some spellings are different compared to our day-to-day life. Okay. Color equal to, you can say, maroon color. See, color name we have written as of now, right? There is an unlimited color code. Okay, unlimited color code. So randomly, if you write anything, a color will generate. Let me show you. Suppose I given as a hash. Okay, 1, 2, 3, ABC. It will have some hexa number. Okay, and it will generate internally a color code. Okay, and that will give some color name. Now, which color will come, we don't know. We have to check, then only we'll get to know. Okay, any number like alphanumeric, words start with a 6, must start with a hash. Size equal to, through browser, I'll guide you how to pick the color code. There we have color picker in the browser Chrome. From there, unlimited color code you can find. Size equal to 15. Okay. Now, which color is generated? Let me check once. It's generated this color. Something called blue related. Blue related. Not exact blue, but little blue. Okay. Let's go inside. Write the LI. Inside the LI, you can write some roles and responsibility. Example, graphics designer. Graphics designer. Okay. Next LI you can write UI developer. One more LI you can write UX designer. Graphics/UX you can write. UX. The people who say I am a UX designer, his work is the graphics related only. Next, you can write for a backend developer. Write some more LI, full stack developer. Full stack developer. Write one more LI. DBA. Database administrator. This is going to generate Roman 1 to 3 only, but it will be lowercase. Roman 1 to 3 only, but it will be as a lowercase. Coming. So this all you have type of OL. That is called how many type of order list? 5. One is called type equal to 1. Another one type equal to A. Next type equal to a small a, capital A, small a. After that, next we have type equal to the I, Roman 1 to 3, capital I, another one is a small I. Okay, so this using HTML, this many options we have. Using CSS, we can generate 1,000 type of options. Okay, we can decide, okay, before li there should be triangle symbol. Okay, so for triangle, we can find the unique code and we can apply before li. So before li, we can apply a rectangle symbol. Anything is possible. Through CSS, all can be achieved. But these all are the default one, default property and default value for the HTML. Those property can override through the CSS. According to our need, we can add multiple and we can modify it also. Yes, it will start from 1 to 3 only. So now, if you have completed, we'll go to the developer guide. We'll make a note, type of OL, and then we'll create the next. We are learning how to type and properly, formatting properly. That will happen automatically. Email is not closed. Before black email is not closed. Before HR email is closed. Black. Black. First one got it. Okay, so let's go to the. So hope everyone have written. Fine. Then we'll come to the next file that is called developer guide. In developer guide, we'll make a note, and after that, we can come back to the next file that is called unordered list. Under the OL, how many types we have? 5 type. You can write here type equal to 1. Another one, type equal to a small a. Another one, type equal to capital A. Another one, type equal to a small I. Next, type equal to capital I. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, this is the following types. Okay, written. Let's go for the unordered list. In unordered list also we have some type. We can write here type equal to disk, DISC. Next we have type equal to square. Next we have type equal to circle. Next we have type equal to none. Type equal to none. Disk, square, circle, and one is called none. Okay, so create the next file. Give the file name called unorderlist.html. Unorderlist.html. The next file. Unorderlist. Next file. Unorderlist.html. File is created. Extension.html or something else. .html. Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead. HTML. Body. H1. Unorder list. Unorder list. Open the UL, close the UL. Don't mention any type. See what is going to come. What is the default type of OL? Default type of OL is what? One, order list. Okay. Similar way, what will be the default type of UL? Will come to know. Disk, square, circle, 4 we have. Disk, square, circle, and one more is called none. Okay. Online test people will take, no? Online test. Multiple choice question, they will give option. Okay, 4 option, 5 option. What is the default OL? Okay, what is the default order list? 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, star, star, as, something. You need to find out. Okay, so let's go. LI, keep inside call home. Next LI, about us. Next LI, contact us. Next LI, login. Next LI, register. Let it be this many. Check once. What is coming by default? If dot comes, that is called disk. If by default dot comes, that is called as a disk. By default dot. That is called disk. By default is a disk. HR color is a green. Size equal to 10. HR color is a green. Size equal to 10. Check now. Something like this. That is called disk. You can write also here type equal to disk and see if it looks similar or different. Type equal to disk, DISC. It will be same as without type. It will be same as without type. Okay, looking same or different? Same. That meaning default unordered list is disk. Default unordered list is disk. Okay, come down. Go next. Next is called. Next is called again UL only, but we'll change the type. Type equal to a square. It will give you a square symbol. In that we don't have any start equal to 6. So it will start from 6 number square. It is a kind of unordered list. In that we cannot set any initial value. Okay. Now let's follow the LI again. Under the LI, you will write some maybe dashboard. Next li, view profile. Next li, dashboard view profile. Next li, edit profile. Next li, education. Next li, logout. It will give you a square symbol everywhere. A square symbol will come. Let's see how that look. It look like this. A square everywhere. You can write one more HR. Color blue. Size 15. Color blue. Size 15. Follow a UL. Type equal to circle. Keep there li, something you can write. Mobile, laptop, desktop, printer. It will give you circle symbol. Round with the whole, round with the whole kind of. Round and dot, round dot. Come down below. Write one more HR. UL. Circle we saw. Just look like this. Circle, circle will come everywhere. Next, we have type equal to none. Type equal to none. None. In this, we can write simply some city name. Bangalore. Chennai. Kolkata. Delhi. Pune. Check now. Type equal to none will not give you any kind of no option. Just only text will appear. Only text. The type equal to none. Only text. So order list 5 types, and order list how many types? 4 types. We will create nested UL. Nested UL. Like when you open the website, you will see the menus will be there. Main menu. Once you move the mouse on services, drop down will open. Sub menu will open. That is the game of nested UL. Okay, nested UL. So we will create the nested UL in that main li will come in the main line, first line, like horizontally, and sub UL will be hidden. Once the mouse will go there, it will go open. But that happen not through HTML. Through HTML, you can create the structure, and then through the CSS, you can apply the lookup. Like once you create the nested order list, then we can create a menu submenu, but all will print in the new line because you saw li is the inline or block. Li is inline or block. Li block. So printing in the new line, no? Right? You saw here. All the li is printing in the which line? All the li is printing in the new line. It is not called as a inline tag. It is called as a block level tag. But suppose you have written here dashboard, or maybe this line, home, about us, contact us, login, register, you have written. If you want to print in the same line, as of now, where it is going? It is going to the new line because it's called as a block level element. It will not come in same line by default. Now, forcefully using CSS, we will change their behavior from the block to inline. So what will happen? It will come in the same line. And again, someone will open in the mobile phone. Then we have to convert from inline to block so that it should go to the new line. Website you have experience, when you open in the laptop, menu will come in one line. Same website you open in the mobile phone, where will go? Menu will be hidden by default. Once you click, then it will open. But it will not go in same line. It will go to the new line. That is a game of inline and block. Okay, according to device, we have to change the behavior of tag from inline to block and block to inline. Okay, okay. So that will be the tomorrow task. For few days, attend 1.5 hours. It's enough for you, else you will feel overload. Slowly, once interest will come up, once you will become, once you will become positive. After that, little fast speed, more pressure, long duration, everything is possible, but not initially. Initially, you will get feel like overload. Feel like web technology is difficult. Web technology is not difficult. It's interesting. Okay, but complexity is also there inside. But if you are going to break it step by step, you will not feel overload. But in one day, if you cover 100 things in the beginning stage, that will become reason of confusion. Okay. So first 4-5 classes will have the very slow track, same speed. Even I will give the form. You need to fill the feedback and let me know whether shall I increase the speed, reduce the speed, or maintain the same speed. Okay. So if you say increase the speed, we'll increase it. If you say decrease the speed, we'll decrease it. If you say okay, speed is fine, then no problem. We'll continue. Okay. So you have to give your feedback, suggestion accordingly. I'll follow. Okay. So what we'll do is you will open our website infocampus.co.in, infocampus.co.in. Okay. Inside you will go for the demo. I will show the URL. In that, you need to fill your WhatsApp number, your email ID, and most important, your feedback. Okay, feedback in the sense, shall I increase the speed, decrease the speed, or you want any improvement that you need to fill there. I will follow that. I will read today evening, and then from tomorrow I'll implement that. Okay, and the WhatsApp number, what you are going to fill there, the WhatsApp number today morning or maybe today evening, they'll create a group. In that they'll add you. Email ID, you will enter the email ID. I'll give the permission from the YouTube channel, and then the videos is already uploaded, but your videos are hidden and still 2 videos are uploaded. So today also I'll upload, and today night they'll create the group. After creating the group, we'll give the permission from channel, and in that group I'll update you. Okay, this is the URL. Watch the video from here. So this is the URL. Let me open that website, and not now, evening, once you reach home, you can fill that, and after that you can give your feedback. Based on that, tomorrow onwards will continue. Okay, and WhatsApp group will create based on your email ID. See, name, phone number should be your WhatsApp number. Okay, phone number should be your WhatsApp number. If you have any calling number, you can write here under the feedback box. Feedback box is there. You can write calling number this and WhatsApp number this. WhatsApp number should come under the mobile phone. So from here, once you fill that, it will come in application. From there, it will be easy to create a group. Okay, and create a contact. Email ID, you need to enter your proper email ID. On that, we will give the permission from the YouTube channel. One email will come. You need to click on the link and activate the email. So after that, you will be able to access all the videos. Okay, and for your batch, one playlist will create. That playlist I will post in the group. That playlist daily, on the same playlist I'll upload the video. Video 1, video 2, video 3 will come. Okay. Okay. So this is the URL. What is that? infocampus.co.in/demo. I will send in the chat also. Whoever are in the chat, they can access this. And then you can give your feedback, most important, under this blog. Okay. So what improvement you are looking? Shall I increase the speed? More explanation, or this much is okay, or anything, any suggestion is right in that. Okay. That I will be reading in the evening, and accordingly I will modify the way of teaching from tomorrow. Okay, so hope clear. We have follow which one? OL and UL. Okay, nested OL plus DL. That is a tomorrow. Nested OL, DL, and then how to link the pages. That is a tomorrow task. So what will be the default? Another list. Disk will come default. We have written in the beginning. Here we have written, and we have not written by default what was coming. It was coming as a ... When we have added the disk, then also it was coming as a ... So default is what? Disk. Lot of question answers are there. So waiting for you. Once you get ready, I'll give you a... You can read it. It's all are like from very basic to advanced. HTML level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, up to level 1 to level 8 level. Question answers are arranged. 50-50 questions. Question with answer, question with answer. It will be interesting for you. Okay. Okay then. We'll see you tomorrow. This is the URL. If in case, if you want to write, you can write it and then see you tomorrow. Yeah, we can continue.